FAIRINO New Generation cobot, born for welding. High portability, innovative internal structure, significantly reduces arm weight. FR3 WMS net weight, 10.5 kilograms, 30% lighter than FR3. FR3 WML net weight, 11 kilograms, 50% lighter than FR5, delivering lightness and maneuverability. High flexibility, 6th-axis, plus or minus 360 degrees working range, adapts to more complex welding tasks, simplified programming for easier operation. High protection, optional IP65 protection, resistant to oil and water splashes, excelling in harsh welding applications. Born for welding.